In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your AirPods Pro 3 microphone not working. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's say you have your AirPods in your ears and you try and, receive a call or anything and you're trying to call someone, talk to them, but for some reason the microphone's not working. It's a very simple method to fix it, just because sometimes they bug out. So as you can see, what you want to do is firstly make sure they're connected, then go over to your settings. Scroll down until you find your AirPods. Now from here, all you want to do is go down and you're going to see a lot of different things. So you just want to keep scrolling down. You're going to see microphone as one of the options. So go ahead and click on microphone. And then as you can see, it says automatically switch AirPods. That's going to be the default thing it's on. So all you want to do is switch it to always use left or always use right. It basically overrides the default setting and then forces your AirPods to basically like work for their microphone. So if you prefer using your left AirPod for your microphone or your right one, just do whichever one you choose and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Check out our other AirPods videos on the channel.